Welcome to my class. Today is our first section and we are going to discuss about the food production and food presentation. What is food production? In hotel and hospitality industry, food production is a department which is involved in preparation of the food, a process in which raw materials are cooked, combined and transformed into a beautiful dish. The scope of food production has been widening at a faster pace in India as well as the abroad. What is food? Food is any substance consumed to provide nutritional support for the body. It is usually of plant or animal origin and contain essential nutrients such as carbohydrates, fat, protein, vitamins and minerals. Food is eaten and typically enjoyed through the sense of taste. The perception of flavor through eating and drinking. Some popular types of ethnic food includes Italian, French, Japanese, Chinese, American, Thai and Indian cuisine. What is food presentation? Pleasing and eye-appealing food presentations can encourage people to consume food. A common saying is that the people eat with their eyes first. Food presented in a clean and appetizing way. The next component is contrast in texture. Texture plays a crucial role in enjoyment of eating food. Contrast in texture, such as something crunchy in an otherwise smooth dish, may increase the appeal of eating it. The another component is contrast in taste. Another universal phenomenon regarding the food is the appeal of contrast in taste and presentation. Opposite flavors such as sweet and saltiness tend to go well together.